EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, August 8th and 9th, 2020. We are going to have just a slight chance for a shower in the afternoon today as that stall boundary, now a little bit further off to the south and east, is going to continue to pull away. So it could have a parting shot here with a mid-level impulse moving through, but I think most areas are going to stay dry today. And if you do get into a stray shower, it's going to be very brief, very light. And you can see that here on the NAM high-res feature simulator radar, starting us off at 7 a.m. moving forward. You can see a little pop-up stuff here in the afternoon. There's just, few and far in between here. Very little activity. So most areas are going to stay dry here, but you could have a quick, brief, light shower moving through the region today. And then once we get to Sunday, that threat is gone, and we'll have mostly sunny skies. Sunday is going to return a lot warmer, though, because we're going to have wind starting to come in from the southwest. We'll be out of the northeast today, and southwest on Sunday. Now, the steering flow is going to be very weak again next couple of days. The winds aren't going to be very high either. Generally 3 to 6, 4 to 8 each day, so that's really not too big of a deal. Again, Sunday's going to be winds from the southwest turning warmer, upper 80s to near 90 degrees, and then we're going to be into the 90s, it looks like, Monday and Tuesday. Another Monday, mostly sunny day here on Monday, and then Tuesday, there's an opportunity well ahead of a cold front, maybe along a prefrontal trough that tries to get going here for an isolated thunderstorm for Tuesday, but it might be a little bit more stray than that. We'll see how that works out as we get a little closer. I do think as the boundary moves closer here on Wednesday, you have a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, at least for the interior. And this frontal boundary is going to get hung up, it looks like, toward the end of the next week. This is not something that is this is something that is typical for this time of year when you start seeing a very weak steering flow, and then you have ridges building in with hot and humid conditions. These cold fronts want to move through. They don't have a lot of punch to them, so they kind of slow down when they run into these ridges. And then we have boundaries that just either slowly crawl through the region or they stall, and that's going to be the case at the end of next week, it looks like. So Thursday, much of the same with that boundary still over top of the region, and scattered showers and thunderstorms again possible. I think it's a better chance on Wednesday than Thursday, but still a chance here nevertheless on Thursday. And then on Friday, the boundary tries to move off to the south and east a little bit further, but will again become the focus of scattered showers and thunderstorms. And I think we're going to end up mostly cloudy here on Friday, because this pretty much goes the entire day. Might even have a low pressure enhancement trying to move along that frontal boundary here Friday. Those details will work out as we get into next week, but it looks like we do have an opportunity for scattered thunderstorms coming back in mid to late next week. So it's going to break that hot and humid temperatures earlier in the week. That are actually going to go through midweek, and then once those thunderstorms come in, we start to break that heat down a little bit, get back into the 80s, but we're going to remain humid with those scattered showers and thunderstorms around in the middle to the latter part of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martin. That is your outlook for the weekend, August 8th and 9th, 2020. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.